Okay, Mr. Sholademi is teaching English language in GSS 1. Let's say it's GSS 1 and also in SS1. Okay, now we have entire class. The meaning of this is that you can see we have entire class, group 1, group 2, boys, girls, seminar. I will explain this when we get to the senior classes. Yes, joint we have joint classes for the classes that maybe you want to join the students together. Maybe A and B, they will be staying anytime they are having English, the two classes will stay together in a class. That is joint classes. But I don't think we usually have that in junior secondary school. Okay, now English is four, let's say it's 4 periods per week. It depends on your school. Your school may be 3, maybe 5, maybe 6. So let's say it's 4. Okay, 4 periods per week for English. Single, double, triple. Now for junior school, I don't think it's not advisable to be having double periods in junior school. Single period is okay for the students, they are still young. They may not be able to cope with double periods. So single period is okay for them. Okay, 4 periods a week. So click on OK. So you can see we are counting it like that. English language, Sholademi OA. Another lesson is still Mr. Sholademi OA. Is teaching English. Now it is turn of 1B. Don't forget we have done for 1A. So for 1B also, 4 periods. Press OK. The next one is for GSS 1C, English language. GSS 1C, 4 periods. Click OK. The next one is GSS 2, my English, GSS 2A. GSS 2A, 4 periods also. Okay, it's not teaching GS2. I said it's teaching SS1. Yes, SS1 English. So SS1 Science. SS1 Science. SS 4 periods also. Now, in this situation, I don't think it really affects English because most of the students, they will stay in their class. I don't think, but in a situation whereby in your school, you used to merge students together, maybe because of classrooms, lack of classrooms and things like that, you can use joint classes. Okay, okay, so let's continue. That is for science. SS English again. You are going to do the same thing for SS1B, SS1 business, 4 periods, and so on. So let's say that is all. Assumption, let's say that is all for Mr. Sholademi subject allocation. So you see everything here. You can see the count, 20 periods. The man is doing 20 periods. So everything will show here. Okay? Everything will show here. Now, another thing you can do here for Mr. Sholademi is this. If you, maybe Mr. Sholademi doesn't used to be around, maybe on Tuesdays, you get, or maybe after long break, you can use this function, time off. You can use this function. Time off. Maybe it doesn't used to be around on Tuesday, so you can see this is not available, conditional available. So you can make him unavailable for Tuesday. So any allocation that any timetable generation that this computer will do, it will not fix this person in Tuesday. It will not fix this person on Tuesday. So that is the essence of that. I will explain more on that when we get there. So now let's add another teacher. Let us add another teacher. New. Let's add another teacher. A teacher that can teach, let's say government. Let's say Mrs. Funke. Let's say Mrs. Funke. AP. AP. Funke. Yes. Okay. Let's change this one to white. It is fun to make timetable on the computer. It doesn't the stress is not is really interesting actually. Okay, this is Mrs. Funke, the new lesson. Okay, let's say the teacher is teaching governments. Now, I use government because two classes are doing government. Business, that is the commercial class, and the humanity class, the art class. The two of them are doing it. So assuming that you want to join these two classes together, assuming the woman is teaching SS1, SS2, SS3, SSS1 now. SS1 business, government, entire class is not the entire class. Okay, it's the entire class, of course, because it is everybody that is doing government in SS1 business. You have to pick group one because if you have to pick group one if not all the students in the class are offering the subjects. For example, geography, economics. If some students are doing economics and another set of students are doing geography in the same class, that is when you use this group one, group two. But since all of them are doing government in commercial class, then you want to join their classes together with the humanity class, the art class, then you can use joint classes. Click on joint. Yes, SS1 business, the entire class are doing it. Then SS1 humanity also, the entire class are doing it. So you have joined their classes together like this. Press OK. So you have joined their classes together. So it's now a joint class. A joint class. How many periods per week? Let's say it's 3 periods per week. It depends on you now. If you want to make it double for 3 periods, it will not be that easy. If you say double, when you click double now, this one has turned to 6. It has turned to 6 periods like that. And if you say 2, it has turned to 4 periods like that. It's double. It has turned to 4. And if you say 1, it is 2. So how can you have 3 periods and you still want to have double periods? What we are going to do is that leave it as a single. I will explain that when we get there, how you can do this. Those one with 3 periods. Okay, what you can do is that, let me just explain now. What you can do is that the periods, put them together. Put one in a period, put another one beside it in another period. Like if you put one in period 4, put another one in period 5. That's double like that. And that's what I'm saying. So press OK. So this is double period. SS1 business and SS1 humanity, they are doing it together. So that is that. We can close this for Mrs. Funke. Let's say that's the only thing Mrs. Funke is teaching. So that is that. Another thing, you can time off. Okay, you can, depends on you. Like in my school, okay, let me leave that one. So that is that for that. Constraints. Let's look at these constraints. What is it for? The constraint is that you can say limit number of windows in timetable per week. No, you don't really need that. This is what you need. Set minimum or maximum number of lessons per day. Now, this person, assuming this person is doing 20 periods in a week, 20, and we have 5 days. So if you divide 20 by 5, that is 4 periods, average of 4 periods per week. Now, it is computer. If you don't set this one, it can put this Mrs. Funke, it can put 7 periods in a day for this lady. So you have to put the limit there that this person must not do more than 4 or 5 per day. You can do minimum of 1 or 5, or you can put 0 there. You get now? So that is the essence of that one. So you will do it for all the subjects. You will do it for all the subjects. So let's click on save. Then we can move to the next one. Okay. For the next one, let's just click close. Let's click close. So you can see all the subjects are here now. All the subjects are here. Can you see that? The subjects are here. All the subjects are here. So let me uh